Another quick video. So many people, so many entrepreneurs, in my opinion, they don't understand that business is all about momentum. They don't understand that what you start and what you do right now is not necessarily what you're going to be doing 5 years from now, 10 years from now. I started so ridiculously small that looking back, it would have been very hard to get excited about that. Far too many people who want to start a business, who want to get freedom, who want to make money, on and on and on. Far too many folks start out expecting to have a big idea, change the world, or just make a lot of money and do something bigger and important, when it really takes 5 years to get going, and business is all about taking those incremental steps. I started so ridiculously small. I started a pickup and delivery service business. We got about 30 clients the first year. Did about $3,000 in revenue. Actually a little bit more, maybe $6,000, $10,000. Then I bought a $1,500 cargo van off Craigslist and started running around my college campus picking up and dropping off people's storage. Fast forward a year, we made about $50,000. Another year, $250,000. Another year, $700,000. I mean, these years took a while, and we worked really hard just getting that original momentum. And now you fast forward 10 years. Next year in May, it'll be 10 years since we did the first bit of Storage Squad effort. And we'll own about $10 million worth of self-storage. Our net worths are well over $3 million each, my partner and I. And we have freedom to do what we want to do with our time. I mean, that's not a lot of money, right? I know a lot of people that are more wealthy than me, but I can work as little as I want, as much as I want. And I have the freedom to do what I want to do with my time, which is what I consider to be wealthy. So if you're thinking about starting a business, you got to understand that it's going to take a while, and that what you start doing right now may seem so silly, may seem so stupid, but it really, over time, business is about momentum. It's about gaining those early skill sets, getting those early wins, and putting your ear to the ground and listening for momentum, or listening for opportunities, getting that momentum, going to a new opportunity, and just growing slowly over time. And before you know it, you'll wake up one day and you'll be like, holy cow, this is what I built. This is what I've done. It's pretty awesome. So don't get discouraged, and don't stop yourself from thinking really small. Everybody says think big. Everybody says go on, do the next big giant thing and try to change the world, or start a big business with tons of potential and the ability to scale. My advice would be the opposite. Oh, my boy's coming to see you if you're watching the video. My advice would be the opposite. Stay small, stay ridiculously small, and don't think about 5 years from now. Just put one foot in front of the other, make some money, and your opportunities will present themselves. If you get out there, if you put yourself out there, the opportunities will present themselves.